Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Today we have for you the SWING-815UV knee-high boots in pink glitter by Demonia. You can also buy these direct from Demonia Cult if you are in a different location, but we offer free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. So let me just get them out of the box and unwrapped for you so we can take a look at this style. And I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video. All right, here we are, and look at that vibrancy of this pink glitter. This is also a ultraviolet black light reactive material. And of course, the major feature of the SWING-815s are the buckle straps. These have got 8 buckle straps that do up on both sides with the metal plates in the middle. Now I'm just going to grab the other one and unwrap that as well. So these boots have a wedge platform sole with 5.5 inches at the heel end. And this model has the white metal plates and buckles instead of the chrome look. And also the white flame design on the bottom of the sole. And they come with a full length back zipper. So once you have adjusted the buckles to the right tightness, you can just take them on and off with the zipper. And inside they are lined with a soft spongy material. I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video. And this model comes in women's USA sizes from 6 to 12, which also converts to the European 36 to 42. So we zip them up now and take a look at them both together. Let me know in the comments what you think of this style. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want us to make more of these unboxing videos. So on this model, the glitter is not coated, so some of it does come off, especially if you're rubbing against it. Don't forget to drop a comment below to let us know what you think, and also tell us what shoe model you want to see unboxed next time, and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. So let's take a moment now to appreciate this color. Well, that's all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favorite styles. Thanks for watching.